Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file sales and use tax in Texas. First, register for a Texas sales tax permit and gather your sales records. Next, identify taxable transactions, exempt sales, and resale certificates to keep separate. Track your nexus, tax rates, and local add-ons accurately. Prepare to file by quarter or month based on volume, and reconcile collected tax with returns before submission. Gather receipts, invoices, and delivery records so each transaction is clear and auditable. Confirm customer exemption certificates and keep them on file to avoid future liabilities. Reconcile point-of-sale totals with your accounting software weekly or monthly to prevent surprises. Check tax rate lookups for cities and special districts to ensure correct collection. Maintain backup copies of filings and log into the Texas Comptroller portal and select the filing period that matches your permit frequency. Enter taxable totals, exemptions, and any adjustments clearly and double-check math before submitting. Choose your payment method and schedule the payment to post by the due date to avoid late fees. If you discover an error after filing, file an amended return promptly to correct the balance and reduce interest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.